Yeah.
Where he was being interviewed by This was.
You always come around this time of year with your big old bag that's full of Christmas cheer. And when it starts to snow, the little boys and girls all know soon they'll hear the sound of your reindeer. Now sometimes grown-ups grow up to believe that you don't really come on Christmas Eve. But I don't think that's true, 'cause I know I see you in the sparkling little lights around the tree. Santa Claus, I still believe in you.
Together. Beth and Heidi, whoa, we're putting together.
I don't know what I do with those.
Ask your wife how they work.
Say what
Whoa! Wow!
Oh, screw it.
Wrapped around a baby doll, so tight, both of them waking up, mama and daddy.
Thank you. Wait your turn! Wait your turn! You West Siders are so pushy.
damn straight.
Knowing that the grandkids are gonna be alright, and mama and daddy, they'll be waiting up to answer old Santa Claus. 'Cause tonight, they ain't worried about the bill, Lord, they're loving it all. Santa Claus, I still believe in you, and there's a kid inside of me that still believes you're true. Oh Santa Claus, the kids are tucked in tight, and it's time to play old Santa Claus tonight. Oh Santa Claus, I still believe in you, and there's still a kid inside of me that still believes you're true. Oh Santa Claus, the kids are tucked in tight.
Taylor.
Is there a doctor in the house that can take care of that problem?
Do you still have that medication from the last time?
It's itching me just to look at it. It's empty. What's it for?
It's for your pills. For when you get crabs, you put your meds in there.
That still believes